Hello once again, and today we'll be looking at the RJ45 Cat 5 LAN Ethernet splitter connector adapter. Not much to say about this. So basically you got two from your computer, and that will go into your router. Not much to say, as I said. It says what it does and set for it. It does and it doesn't. It can be a bit misleading. Right, as it says, it's a splitter, but you can't use them both together. You can only use one at a time. So basically you got that going to your internet. If they're both on, one of them gets cut off, or both of them have problems. You know, one goes trying to connect to one and it connects to the other. It has problems working simultaneously, but it's not supposed to be worked simultaneously, only one at a time. So if you've got one computer on, the other one's off, then if there's nothing going through it, then it'll work. That's basically what it's supposed to do. But I think people are buying these thinking they can use them both at the same time, but you can't. I mean, it's alright. It's nothing really special. It's only cheap. It's only £1.60. I mean, you can buy a few of these if you want to, but don't think you're going to use them both at the same time, because you can't. It's not what it's designed for. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to end it now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.